Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about keto and intermittent fasting maintenance, okay? Sometimes people have this idea that it's a diet, that you're going to lose the weight and then go back to your regular normal foods. No. I would not look at this as a diet. It's a very healthy way of living to provide all the nutrients. And also, intermittent fasting is a very natural thing for our bodies. Our bodies were not designed to consume 6 meals a day or even 3 meals a day. On the evolutionary track, we ate once or twice a day, and it wasn't a pattern of that. We just ate when we actually got the food. So our bodies are really designed to do that and also run off fat fuel. The whole goal of doing this is to switch your metabolism to actually run off fat versus all the sugar stuff. I mean, take a look at the long-term effects of running your body on sugar. It's not good. So keto intermittent fasting is going to provide all your nutrients, so it's not an unhealthy thing to do. All right, so when you hit your ideal weight, in your mind, you might associate that with, okay, now I'm healthy, right? Because I don't have any extra weight. Not necessarily true. True health is high levels of energy, great focus, concentration, low stress, okay? No memory problems. No, you're not on any medications, okay? You're physically fit, you have endurance, good heart, good digestion, all that, good sleep, good energy. So that's what your ideal health should be. And so the goal is to use these as tools to achieve this higher level of health. So you have what's called a health reserve. So if you go off the program, you have so much health reserve, you can afford to go off the program occasionally. That's really what you want to do. So as far as reasons for going off the program, a lot of people want to enjoy the pleasure of food, right? But the point is, you can eat almost any pleasure food if you tweak the recipes. And that includes breads and cookies and cakes and all that. We have a ton of recipes. In fact, I'm going to put a link down below. So really, you want to shift your viewpoint to eating to live versus living to eat, okay? There's really no difference between a maintenance on a keto and intermittent fasting versus what you've been doing in the past. They're the same program. This is just going to give you more flexibility to go off when you need to because you have this huge level of health that you can tap into. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I wanted to personally invite you to a new Facebook group that I just started called Dr. Berg's Keto and Intermittent Fasting Lab, okay? So I created this so we can share our successful actions, what worked, what didn't work, your results. So I put a link down below. So go ahead and sign up and I'll see you inside.